Hey, what is going on, guys? So you're using Wondershare Filmora 9 and you want to know how to blur like moving faces. Very, very simple to do. Let me show you how to do that. Let me just decrease this down here and let me go ahead and import a video here that I just made here just for this video here. Okay, so here's the video here. Let me go ahead and drag this down to the timeline here. I'll match it to media. And let me just play this video just to give you a demonstration of what it looks like without the face blurred first. Let me just make this clip like shorter. Let me delete it. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the blur.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so you saw that right there. Okay, so now let's do this. I want you to go up to Effects here in the top left-hand corner. It says Effects, tap on Effects. And then on the left pane here, go down to where it says Utility. Tap on Utility. And then right here it says Face Off right here. Okay, now the thing is, if you want to blur out like an object, like a license plate, or like passwords or emails, look at my other video in the description. It's a different way to do it. Anyways, that link is in the description. This video here is just for blurring out faces, okay? Okay, so from here, what we got to do next is look for Face Off, right there, Face Off, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and I can click the plus sign like that, or, I mean, what I typically do, let me delete that. I just drag and drop, but you want to make sure that it is above your clip, okay? So I'm just going to put it like only partially in the clip here, and let me just play it from here. So it's going to show my face with no blur, and then it's going to show it the blur, and then it's going to be no blur, okay? Just watch the timeline right here, okay? Let me go ahead and press on play now.
3.
Now, blur.
Testing, 1, 2,
and you can see that it follows me, and now it's going to be off right there,
5.
okay? Now from here, what you can do too is go ahead and double tap on Face Off, and then rather than using like this blur here, you have these other options. You can use these emojis or faces here. So for instance, if I wanted to put like this happy face on here, let me just go back here. Now press on play.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you can see how that
5,
follows
6.
me. But most of you guys are probably going to be using this regular one here. So go ahead and just go with the default, this one right here. I'll click on OK. And then what I can do from here is I want my entire face blurred out in this entire clip. So I need to resize this to make it the exact size of this clip here. So let me move that there. Move this to the other side. And now when I play it, let me go ahead and maximize this as full screen here. And we'll go ahead and play it from here.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So that's pretty cool. Actually, this Filmora 9 works a lot better if you guys are familiar with the previous version. I mean, it was really, really difficult to do, and it wasn't like perfect. This Filmora 9 is so much more smoother. It's just that there's a much bigger learning curve to learn like everything over, because from the previous version they changed everything, you know, new on this Filmora 9. Anyways, I hope that helped you guys out. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to be doing a lot of these tutorials on Filmora 9. I'm quite familiar with this platform. I've been using this for like over a month now extensively. If you have any questions, you want to know how to do anything, just comment and I may make a video on that as well. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Oh yeah, and I am using the screen recorder from Filmora 9 too, so it's the function where I'm recording my screen and I'm using my webcam at the same time. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one.